My name is Linda Sager. I'm the author of 13 books, and 9 of them are in screenwriting, and 4 of them are in spirituality. This book, Spiritual Steps on the Road to Success, came about as a result of my beginning a business. I have an international business as a script consultant. When I started the business, I was dealing a lot with my anxiety and with trying to get things going and with praying for God to help me and to make things start working. I decided that I would really try to apply spiritual principles to everything that I did, presuming that I would not do as well as other of my colleagues, but that God would take care of me and I would do all right. What happened surprised me, because I actually have done extremely well. But I found as my business went on that the issues that one deals with when you are successful are very different than the ones that you deal with when you are starting out. And that is part of what I wanted to explore in Spiritual Steps. The subtitle, Gaining the Goal Without Losing Your Soul.